Hola! So, in today's video, I'll be doing this to my hair. This is what's coming, as you saw in the thumbnail. Now, I want to show you the box real quick before I start the video. So, this is what the box looks like. Okay, I can't do that. It came with a bonnet, fur. A bunch of stuff came in this bag, but I took it out on vacation. It was this. So they gave me some nude wig caps, always useful. They gave me a band to tie the hair down with, but I never use these because I use elastic bands. They gave me some bobby pins, They gave me a tweezer, but this came pre-plucked, so I didn't need it. They gave me an extra elastic band, but not the ones that I use for the laying of the edges. And they gave me an edge brush. So, yeah. And this wig does not shed a lot, which is good, which I love. And the hair is soft and it's shiny. Just a little piece. You can't really see it. Never mind, it ain't shining. I'm just playing. But yeah, so good hair. My dog just sneezed. So good hair. Hey. So basically today, as you already know, as I said, I'm doing a bob today. You know, giving you the bob. It's not giving Edna, but it's not giving Edna. But anyways, right now I'm showing you basically the construction of the wig, so y'all can know what it looks like and what it really do. Okay. Now I'm cutting out the ears. I cut my ears out differently because I was scared to cut my ear off, so I just cut like up and then like hold it down and then like rip it backwards, if that made any sense. You saw what I did. But now I'm doing my little side part, and I think I'm gonna do a middle part, but I'm gonna do it on my Instagram because I don't need to be a whole other video, but I want to try a middle part. But anyways, that's past the point. I'm doing the side part, and I'm just taking this wax glue stick. I think it's like the nutrition one. It's the cheaper one, so that's why I got it. But I'm basically just trying to get it flat because it said it was pre-plucked, if I'm not mistaken, and I wanted to test the theory, so I didn't pluck it at all. I just put it on how it came. I also I bleached the knots and I put the makeup on it before I did the video, but it said it was pre-plucked, so I was trying to test it, and it did pretty good. I was impressed, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm just hot combing and wax sticking right now, so yeah. Then I put it in a ponytail. My mom hates when I put my hair in ponytails because she says it gives a permanent dent. I don't care. But anyways, I'm putting the Got to Be Glue spray on there because I wanted this to be a quick install, so I could like learn how to do these better, because I don't be wanting to put the glue on my head because that's a lot of work. So I just used the Got to Be Glue spray, and it actually did pretty good. But anyways, you're just gonna spray the lace and then take the blow dryer and like hold the lace down as you blow dry it on like cold, and then you're gonna just like go back and perfect it, and yeah. Also, once you're gonna feel it like tack to your skin, so once that happens, you're gonna take the comb to further engulf it into your scalp so it can give scalp. Yeah. Then I put on the elastic band to further secure the lace. And do y'all hear this audio? Yeah, I got a tiny microphone off Amazon, and I'm loving it, girl. Hey. But anyways, yeah. Tell me how I was flat ironing my hair, and I was like, why isn't it getting straight? Y'all, the flat iron was not plugged in. That's embarrassing. But eventually it did get plugged in, okay? And I ended up looking like this. I don't bump. I don't curl the back of my head. I only do the front. Don't judge me, judge your mother. But yeah, so if you're like, why does the back look like that? It's because I didn't do what I did to the front to the back, because I'm lazy. But that's my point. Is giving enough. So yeah, but I cut off the lace with a razor, and then I go back in with some Got2b glue spray to further secure it again, because it gotta be secure. It gotta be secure, because you never know. Then I go in a blow dryer, and I like blow dry it on medium heat so it can dry and be stuck there. And I do that to the rest of my head. So get to it, as I should. Now we're doing the baby hairs. Let me give some tips, because a sister would have loved to know this when I first started, because I did my edges on my wig how I do my edges on my head, but the wig hair and my hair are two completely different textures. So when you use a bunch of hair for edges on like straight hair, it's not gonna look right. It's gonna look weird. It's gonna look stringy. So don't use a lot. You don't need a lot. Take like a little bit. Do not take a lot. Take a little bit, and it'll look full. Just take a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't take a lot. Like a small section, it'll spread out. Okay? This wasn't the best example because I'm taking kind of big sections, but you know what I mean. And also, please cut them. Do not keep the hair long. Please cut them very short. Thank you for your time. The final result is what it looks like at the very end. Wait a minute, okay, I'm scared. It looks like at the very end. Bumping the ends is not my forte as of yet, so it's looking a little interesting. But this is what it looks like. I did not pluck it at all because I wanted to see what it looked like when it came like straight out the box. Yeah, this is what it looks like at the very end. I actually kind of like it. I feel like, why are y'all all just being disrespectful right now? Like, y'all don't know the dealio. Come on. Anyways, so yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I can't see